So outlines are very similar to this borders. Outlines also very similar to the border, but so you get a doubt in your mind like outline borders both are same. Why they mention here? See, because border. I'll show the difference between outline and border. There you get a clear understanding about this outline. So outlines were very similar to this border, and there is a few difference between as well. So in this outline, the major difference is to outline does not take the space. So whereas border will take the space, where outline does not take the space here. So outlines do not have any rectangular. So outline don't have any rectangle like this. So border we having this rectangle like rounded corners, and this outline always same as a all sides. Like it is same for all the sides, and we don't have any outline. Outline top, outline bottom. We don't have this much of values in the outline. So this different values are different size of an element. There is no different values for no different size of an element for the outline. So outline properties are not supported by this Internet Explorer and Netscape. Netscape and Internet Explorer outline property will not supported here. In this outline, we have a properties like outline, outline width, and we have this outline style, outline style, outline style, and outline color. Outline color. So outline width properties is to set the width of the outline, and outline style property is set the styles of an outline, and outline color property is easy to set the color of a outline, and along with outline properties easy to set all the above properties in the style itself. And we can use shorthand property like we can use outline 3 pixels or 4 pixels solid red. So we can write this shorthand property like this. Directly we can write all the properties in one statement, that is outline 4 pixel solid red. And along with we have outline offset. So outline offset is a property, outline offset. Outline offset is a property. It will give a space for this border to outline. It will give some edges, will give some spaces for the border and outline. Let me show this example. There you get a clear understanding. Go to this Visual Studio, create a new program. Create new program, and you can save this file as outline outline.html. Now I take this here, outline. Now coming to there, so I'll take this content. We'll just write cascading style sheet. So I'll take this internal style sheet, take this style. So I'll provide this paragraph. See, for your understanding, I'll take this internal style sheet. While writing your CSS, while doing your any task for you, so you can must and should take the external CSS only. See, I'm just easy for this one. For my explanation, it is very easy to take. That's why I'm taking this internal style sheet. So hereafter, you don't follow this internal style sheet. You must follow only the external style sheet. I'll take for the sake of my time saving, I'm taking this internal CSS here. See, I'm taking this style and I'm taking this paragraph. So for this paragraph, I'll just provide this margin. I'll just provide 50 pixels. And I'll provide this padding 30. Now I'll take this border 10 pixels, solid 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 yellow. I'll take this yellow. I'll take the background color. I'll provide this orange. Now look at this one. So you just run this one on the browser. So go to this default browser. Now I'll place this one. I'll place this orange and I'll place this yellow. Now instead of taking this yellow, I'll just take this crimson. There you get color. Understanding about this one. Now I'll take this color. Now here I'll provide this font size. I'll just provide this 30 pixels. Now go to this browser, just reload this page. Now I'll place this outline there. Now look at this one. So I'll show the difference between this outline and border, right? So this is a border. Now I'll take this outline here. Outline, I'll take 5 pixels, solid, green. If you don't want this solid, just you can change it to dashed green there. Now go to there, just reload this page. Now I'll place this dashed there. Place the dashed outline for the border. Now look at this one. So what is the difference between this outline and border? So these both are same, right? Why we take this border and outline? See, look at this one. Right click, inspect this one. I'll just inspect this one. Now, so whenever I'm changing to this border radius, see, I'm changing this border width there. Now what will happen? Suppose I just increase this border. Now look at this one. I'll just increase this border. What will happen means, so inside of this content will become a smaller. Look at this one. Inside of content. Look at this one. It will be changing, right? So I'll just put it to 10 pixels. So it will occupy the space here. Whereas this outline, so if we take this outline, I'll just increase the outline. So this outline without disturbing any content. So without disturbing, it will increase the size here. Look at this one. So that is the difference. So without outline won't take the space, and without disturbing any content here, it will change the size of this one. And whereas this border, if you take this border, if you increase this border, content also will be decreased. Now look at this one. I'll just increase this here. Look at this one. Like this the border and outline will be work here. So I'll make it to this 10 pixels. Make it to 10 pixels. Now, so what is outline? Outline offset. What is the outline offset? So outline offset is nothing but in order to give some space for this border to outline. So here we can outline offset. Outline offset. So how many pixels you want? I need nearly 15 pixels. So if you 20, 30, not a problem. So look at this one. So it will give some space for like this. It will give 15 pixels around the border. So like this, outline and border will be work. That is nothing but outline properties. So here, instead of dash, I'll take group. Insert. Now go to this browser, just reload this page. Look at this. So we place this border and as well as outline.